Meaning of dragster.
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 Dragster. A dragster is a type of racing vehicle used for acceleration competitions known as drag racing. It is characterized by its long, narrow body and powerful engine, which generates immense horsepower and enables the car to reach very high speeds in a short amount of time. Typically, dragsters are driven in a straight line for a quarter-mile distance, with the winner determined by who crosses the finish line first. These vehicles are built for speed and agility, often featuring specialized tires, suspension systems, and aerodynamic modifications to increase performance.